Hello student, this video we are going to see how to find SI unit and dimensional formula for permittivity. Okay, F is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. It is the force of attraction and repulsion between the two charges. Epsilon naught is the permeability electric field constant. So epsilon naught only we are going to find. Epsilon naught is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi into F times of q1 q2 by r square. So we know 4 pi is a dimensionless constant. Okay, so there is no dimensional formula for 4 pi. So we are going to find epsilon naught. So q1 q2 is the charge into charge coulombs, force is a Newton, and radius is a distance square. Charge coulombs, coulombs into coulombs, coulomb square, and Newton is for force, meter square is for distance. So Newton meter square. So as we know, it's a force is equal to MA. That means kg meter second minus 2 is for force. And the charge, we don't have SI unit for a dimensional formula for charge. So charge we should convert as a charge is equal to current into time, because current is equal to charge by time. So current is equal to charge by time. So charge is equal to current into time. So charge is equal to current into time. So 1 coulombs is equal to 1 ampere into 1 second. That means we got what is coulombs, that means we got what is Newton. So that too I am going to substitute here. So epsilon naught SI unit will be coulomb square. We can take it as a ampere square second square. Then Newton we can take it kg meter second minus 2, and it's a meter square. So denominator, so I am going to get as a ampere square second square, denominator as a kg meter cube second minus 3, so second minus 2. So this everything I am bringing as a numerator. So kg inverse meter minus 3 second plus 2, and already second plus 2 is there, ampere square. So when we are bringing from denominator to numerator, all the signs will get changed to plus to minus, minus to plus. So plus 1 we got minus 1, plus 3 we got minus 3, plus 2 we got minus 2. Okay, already ampere square second square it is in the numerator. So we'll get m minus 1. So this is a SI unit, it's a second power 4 we will get it. Okay, so m minus 1, L minus 3, T plus 4 ampere square. It's a dimensional formula for permittivity. The symbol we can call it is a epsilon naught. Thank you.